Yo, alright, today is March 25th, 2025. I'm gonna go over today's price action. Um, 1 minute. Okay, move this out of the way. Phew. Alright, I'm a little tired. Okay, so 1 minute. Alright, so I move it out of the way. Alright, okay. So we've got about 3 minutes before the market open. Price was on a heavy uptrend. I can see that we still had the buying RSIs here. Got appeared towards the midday. And trying to figure out how exactly to go out like this. I couldn't really create any levels. I'm not even gonna lie. I kind of gave up with like the level idea. I said I don't know what to create or what to add. Price was just moving up, so I didn't really have any levels. I did add this because we had the RSIs. I said okay, kind of see that price was kind of rejecting this level here. We got a little buying volumes here, so I said okay, well I'll mark these RSI levels, um, and we can go from there. So I was hoping to see like NQ will come up to reject and ES will hold this, and then maybe we can get like a downtrend or something like that. So price push down, waiting to see price will go back up. um, I expected them to these here. I think I'll probably move that a little lower. So just trying to make sense of the levels. Then I see that we have some absorption trying to form. Move this out the way. Phew. All right, so right now it's goodness, I'm tired. All right, let's get it together. Right now it's 8:33, so the market just opened up. We got quite a bit of time before these absorption candles will even mean anything. So as far as I know, we're still on a heavy uptrend, but we saw sellers right here that appeared. So maybe we're on a downtrend now. Maybe we can find um, some downward motion or downward something to validate these selling volumes. All right, we got this here. Not really much anything really. So anyway, I just marked the charts. We do have this right here. Price sells off. Um, Now continue to adjust, trying to make sense of this. We kind of like, I was trying to get it short right here. We move down. I'm trying to get it short right here. But then price, let's go back a little bit. Price just puked on me. So I saw that we were trying to sell off. So I was about to get short when this candle closed. We have what, 30 seconds now. So I'm getting interested. So short, and then that just happened. I was like, oh, okay. Well, can't do nothing about that. So that happened. I said, okay, whatever. Idea is gone. So I didn't even try to chase it again, even though I thought about going in short again. But I was like, nah, it's good. It's gone. Whatever there was, there it's gone. Let it go. I said, okay, I see we got absorption, absorption on the 30-minute, selling. What exactly are we doing here? NQ goes all the way up to here, rejects. ES, I don't know what ES is doing. I'm like, what are we doing here? Like, I see NQ rejecting that level. ES still going lower. All right. What is it that we're trying to do? Okay. And then I realized that, oh, we're rejecting settlement price perfectly. Okay. Whatever. Reject settlement price. All right. Now we're both going. They're both going up towards the area of rejection. All right. NQ is way higher than it needs to be. Alright, let's see if we're gonna get something together for an entry. No, ES starts to break up higher. Like, okay, this is ridiculous. Alright, screw it. That thing needs to go now. We're done. Okay, maybe I can find support to go higher. Not really fighting anything. We're in a buying zone. This is not buying. It's 11:14, 11:15. Still nothing's made sense yet. Okay. Going back to selling. I said, okay. And then I should have slowed down and said, dude, what are you trying to buy here? I looked at VIX and realized that VIX never went below the yesterday's low. It was still above yesterday's low. I was like, alright, fair game. If VIX is going to be above yesterday's low the whole time, and ES is above yesterday's high, I'll just pull out the chart. Alright, so alright. So it was yesterday's high. But it goes VIX yesterday's low. And VIX stayed above yesterday's low the whole time. But ES was like way up here. So I said, this ain't right. As long as this still above the low, ES and the Q needs to likely come back down. Right? So I couldn't validate this move all the way up. Well, this one is still holding above this. So like this one can't go up and these go up. This has not gone down. Now if this went under, yeah, market will keep going up. But they were both above. Even though this one, that's where I exit at. Even this one was like, yo, so I said, okay, I'm gonna just look for a short until a short that makes sense. All right, that's selling again. It's 11:34. I got my anomaly candle right here. I like this candle right here. This one here is like my best friend now. Alright, I said price needs to clear this and come back and retest. Alright, I like for NQ to do the same thing too. So I see selling coming in. I said, alright, cool. Alright, we're below it, cool. Alright, let's see, go back up. Okay, we got RSIs. I said, alright, whatever. Got a mark. I marked this here because of a bunch of absorptions. Mainly from these here. Yes, that was over there. So we had absorption candles. So that was 12:20, and I said, yo, I really want to see price come up and reject this area here because this is where we had that level, and I was looking for price to like really hold, and I was hoping for ES to go up and Q to go up and reject. So I told myself, well, we're likely to go back up to reject. I would like to play long into this level, but I won't play longs because NQ VIX is still above its low. I said only shorts I can play, even though I would like to have just played long here and then played short there. That's really what I was looking for. I was looking for a buy opportunity. I didn't see any buy opportunity. Here goes the buy opportunity is gonna come up soon. Right there, right? I thought about entering there, 5719. Five stop loss below it, right? And going up to that high up there, like going up to like these areas here. That was the goal. We hit this here nicely, but if I say if I'm going to go long, this needs to go down lower before I can move up. But I do like that we're breaking up above. But I was interested. Then we hit that, and then price really started going. I stepped away, came back, but I started prepping out my lunch. I saw that we had RSIs popping up. I said that we had RSIs popping up. I said we had RSIs popping up. See that we had this level hitting up again. I said, okay, cool. All right, cool. We had a sell. All right, we had a level that, okay, things are lining up. Okay, we do have buying into that level. So let's see if we can reject it and push price down. I saw this happening. Not this one yet. All right, we need to break this RSIs. We're breaking these RSIs. All right, I think that's when I got long. Let me short. Let's see. Yep, 13, 13, 23. All right, cool. So I like that. I like this was breaking up. I said, okay, I kind of like what's going on. So let's go short. It's gonna aim for these lows over here. I know, ambitious, but I wanted to see. I wanted to see NQ come down to this 2400 area. Because ES touch is, but NQ did not. And I was trying to see VIX go up to. I see VIX go right back up to this 1825 level. So we can see that while I was in it, we did move up, then move all the way down, came back, retested, and then finally moved back up to it. I was already got righted. Alright, so entries there. Price really starts ramping it up. Could have probably entered on this candle here, stop loss there, still stop loss below. We are getting close to my level. Okay, I'm really liking what's going on. Boom. So we see that price really starts to pick up. Here, I said, okay, I moved my stop loss here to 18. So I moved my stop loss to the 2 to 1. We got to the 14, still trying to get low here. And then price spiked low, and then that's when I exit right there at 14. Right? And that was it. I exit at, yeah, 58.14, right? Because it was going kind of fast. I was trying to get out at 12, but 12, 13, 14, or 13, 14, about a point off. So, but that was it here. NQ hit its level, and that was basically it. It hit at 2400. What I was looking for, we hit that level, and we basically started reversing after that. And I have no idea what came after that. I walked away. I was done. So we can see that price pushed up, came down, went down to that exact level I wanted to go down to, 58.12. See signs of buying. Signs of buying. Price goes lower and then spikes up. So that my charts wasn't set up, so I have no idea what really comes after that. But dang, or the spike, and then we reverse. Price down, because price was not ready for that spike up. Price is saying, yo, let's go down. Price is saying no. Oh, it does go down. Dang. Dang. I think around here VIX hit that 15 level. Alright, so price does want to sell. Ooh, what a tough market. This is ridiculous. And towards the end, it really starts to push back up. Alright, so. Alright, and that was it. Alright. Interesting, right? Interesting day. Alright, so that's it for me for today. I'll be back later. That's the only trade that I saw. The rest of them just didn't make sense, and the market was just all over the place. All right, I'm glad that that one worked out. That was about a, I say 10-point move, 11-point move. All right, not bad, and I'm risking a little bit. So, yeah. So one trade for today. All right, nothing special. Just doing the same things over and over again. And I just want to just continue doing that. So yeah, I just want to just continue doing that. It's taking my time. Yeah. So my thing is that I want to reduce the losses, the major losses, and I want to continue making the gains big. Like the day when I had like a $100 loss, not good, or the day where I had a $900 loss, not good, right? So right now I'm only trading one micro versus one mini. So so if we go back and just look at these days where we just say, okay, let's look at this day, so I can say, oh, this is 53. Sorry, a $530 day, $536 day. Nothing. Okay, $130 day. Okay, $1,530 day. $1,535 a day. Oh, $1,004 negative day. I don't want these days. $1,004. Like I don't want these days. This right here is a blowout day. Blown out account. Not cool. I should be hitting my daily max limit like that. Okay, $780 day. $786 day. Okay, cool. It's okay, $280 day. Alright, cool. $607 day. Cool. Oh, negative $576 day. Whoa. Okay. Okay, negative $268 day. Alright, we could do that. Negative $134 days. Okay, no problem. That's not that bad. Alright, didn't trade at all. Cool. Didn't trade at all. Alright. $116 day. Alright. Keeping it small. Light. Alright, didn't trade. Oh, $1,666 day. Alright. Cool. Oh, 960. What's this, right? So this is where I went with the minis, right? And we're just gonna calculate it. So just and this is the important part of just trading how you're supposed to trade. So just calculate it. So this is here, right? Negative. Let's just say it's 96.45, right? Plus, right? Because we'll multiply by 10 at the end. Now you want to act out. You were doing a great job playing along. Now that we decided to do something, you want to act up. You're a character. You're a whole character. Come on, man. I like for you to just work properly so I can go about my day and stop recording this. We're already 20 minutes in. Just do this one. Alright, so it's not gonna do it. Anyways, we catch my gist, right? Combine would have been done. but we went down a lot so that we could catch a lot of those negative $1,000 days. We need to really get rid of those days. So it's just like, how do we do it? How can I mitigate those days? So maybe I put my loss down to half of that, maybe $500, right? I think I can do that because I do have a lot more winning days that work out well. Um, and then maybe push it down to like 600 or something like that. So that way, I just still focus on those winning days. So maybe I can, it being instead of it being $100 day loss, right? This is at 100. This should be 60, right? And because I have days where it's about 50 to about 50, about 500, right? To close to 60, but 500 some days are like that. So trying to find that happy medium. So, but when those days come, and I want to be able to really get those consistent, because I know that if I can get those consistent on just how I'm trading and then fixing that, it'd be top tier. All right, anyways, I'm done for today. Be back tomorrow. Oh, now you want to load.